Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at Everything You Need to Know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news all about the US Fed today. The Federal Reserve held interest rates steady for a third meeting today and gave its clearest signal yet that its aggressive hiking campaign is finished, and it is forecasting a series of cuts next year. Immediately after its release, US Treasury bond yields fell, US dollar fell, and the S&P 500 rose. Meanwhile, American producer prices were unchanged in November from October to be just 0.9% ahead of year-ago levels, and that was a lower increase than expected. Consumer inflation might be stubborn, but producer prices are now rising at very modest levels. Recall US PPI peaked at more than 11% in early 2022. And American mortgage applications rose an unexpected 7.4% last week from the week before, a sixth consecutive weekly increase in driving applications to their highest level in over 4 months, thanks to the continuous decline in interest rates. The benchmark 30-year fixed home loan rate is now down to 7.07% in this survey, its lowest since July. In China, the expected bounce back from October's weak new lending levels came, but it wasn't as robust as expected. China's banks extended almost 1.1 trillion yuan of new yuan loans in November, a good rise from October's weak level, but falling short of the market expectations of 1.3 trillion rise. And Australia's mid-year economic and fiscal outlook was released yesterday and was surprisingly positive, signalling that they may in fact get another surplus this year, making it 2 years in a row that Canberra has achieved that. It is built on the usual suspects, very high mining profits and delaying infrastructure spending. Tax relief for bracket creep may be coming soon there though. The US Treasury 10-year yield is much softer on secondary markets after the Fed at 4.09% and down 12 basis points from yesterday, and the S&P rose 0.6% after the Fed announcement. The price of gold will start today at just on $1,982 an ounce and up $2 from yesterday, and oil prices are up $1 at just on $69.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just under $74.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 61.7 US cents and up 0.5 cent from yesterday after the Fed. Against the Aussie, we're 1/4 cent lower at 93.1 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're down 10 basis points at 56.7 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 70.7 and 30 basis points firmer than this time yesterday. Get more news about the New Zealand economy from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.